A $50 gift card to Lucille's Barbecue.
These are the raffle prizes. Always good here at Gary's. Whether here at Carl's or the Elks Club, always got some choice raffle prizes. And that turtle is pretty popular. Probably one of the first to go. Of course, the TV will be the last to go. We're getting ready to raffle. Plus, you got a Lucille's. Tammy and I went there. $50 gift certificate. Very good. So, he's getting ready to pull a number. So, let's get ready to raffle. And don't forget, on Gary's Classic Car Fridays, putting the Car Appreciation Day, July 12th, you got to come out. What's that?
Steal that. Let's get ready to
raffle, yeah. That's pretty good, huh? I created them all myself.
I mean, I'm already.
Let's get ready to raffle.
Happiest car show on earth.
That's all right. I don't know copyright on it. Just as long as you're not talking about pushing pedals, pulling gears.
Okay, here we go. First winner, choice of the table, except for those 3 items. Also, the chair is on the lower table, so if you're in need of a chair. White ticket, 258063.
063.
258063.
Those guys are always so in a rush, huh? If you don't jump up like Pedro jumps up.
There it comes.
See, there's something about winning a trophy, you win a raffle. How about that?
Get out of here and let them pick yourself.
Yeah, snap-on jacket, pretty cool.
Our next winner,
There you go.
white ticket,
What do I get?
Anything
259
down except this and anything in here.
558. 259 558.
Yeah, that's always a favorite right there. You can wipe off those snap-on tools with that.
Our next winner, white ticket, 259133.
You need help, huh?
259133.
Look at that impala rolling in. Wow. See? You win a trophy, you win a raffle. Huh? Something to say about that. Get that trophy, you get a raffle prize.
Our next winner,
What will it be?
white ticket, 259.
Aha! I knew that one last long.
259 889. The turtle is history.
Oh, see? Yeah, we knew that. We knew that was going to happen. Wow, what's it going to be?
Winner,
Ah, you knew what you wanted.
259 111. 259 111.
What? Not so fast, not so fast.
Line one.
Okay, flush it.
Hey Gary, do you know they have reserved seating over there every Tuesday?
We're going to change that.
Yeah.
They win too much. Our next winner, ticket number 259871. 259-871.
Nobody here? Oh, you're kidding. Wow, see? I think you guys need to go to Vegas. Winner, winner.
Or just me and Brenda will. Right?
Yeah. How about that? Now let's see what's it gonna be.
It's these right here, right?
Yep,
Our next winner,
including that.
We have two
ticket
of them.
number
All right.
258-069. 258-069.
Wow. Win a trophy, win 2 raffle prizes. Wow, huh? Hey, we got to pick first. Yep. Go ahead, pick one. Yeah.
White ticket,
Now what's it going to be?
259.
Snap-on guy getting DeWalt tools?
259-006.
Whoa, Willie popped up back here. Ah. Wow. Up. So City Classics represent Willie's
Our
HP,
next winner.
Willie's Auto Service. What is that? What is that? Oh,
Ticket number
how about that?
259-167.
Yeah.
259-167.
Back here.
We'll double check this.
Oh. He's pretty got a straight face going. I think it's accurate. Let's see, what's it gonna be? Right there.
What's left here?
We got those 3.
Our next winner, ticket number 258-316.
Stunt car.
258-316.
Perfect for grocery shopping.
Nobody?
258-316. Going once. We'll just flush it, it's Army.
It's coming from that reserve seating section out there.
Take another one.
That's your choices, just those 2. That or that.
Our next winner,
Rock Auto.
ticket number 259-759. 259-759.
No one? No one? No one?
$25 gift card to Rock Auto. We'll double check this.
Yeah. Wow.
259-759.
Wow, huh? Well, one household walking home with 3 prizes.
For the table lamp.
Be right there. Rock Auto.
Dang, now I got $75 with Rock Auto.
There, pretty soon you'll be able to buy a whole car.
For the table lamp, white ticket, 258, 678, 258, 678.
Anybody? 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 Watch it.
258, 678, going once.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. Yeah. There, you got a lamp. Table lamp.
For the $50 gift card to Lucille. 259, 415, 259, 415. Two 259, 415, going once.
Oh, I think he pulled his own number. Maybe, well, no, maybe not. No. Nope. Pulling a ticket for the big screen. Who's gonna be the lucky one? Walking away with Lucille Barbecue.
For the 55-inch TV.
55-inch
Ticket number
TV.
259 901. 259 901.
How'd that happen? How'd that happen? Oh, look at that, another TV. Wow, they walked home with like 5 prizes. I don't know how that happened, but Pat ends up with a lamp. And we got a big screen TV. So there you have it. There's my portion of the raffle. Dan on
Yellow
live.
ticket.